In today's video, I'll talk about can connecting rod cap, this is a connecting rod cap, can it be used interchangeably? This is what I mean. This is made for this. Can this work with this? That is what I'm going to discuss in this video. Many have done that mistake and they really want to know if the connecting rod cap can be used interchangeably. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. I teach valuable things about internal combustion engine. Now, this con rod cap cannot be used interchangeably. You should not. You need to guide against that. Why? If you try to use it interchangeably, you will notice that when you bend the con rod, the crankshaft, when you fix everything together, you will notice that the crankshaft may not turn. Yes, it will not turn. The con rod cap is made for each other. Sometimes you will see that some of them are even numbered, though this one are not numbered, but some of them are numbered already. So you cannot use this for this, and you cannot also use this for this. The con rod must be. That is why when you are fixing it, when you are removing it, you need to know which one do you remove first. This is what I usually do. When I remove this, I ensure that I fix it back immediately. I fix this thing back immediately. Then when I remove the second one too, I fix the cap back immediately. You don't interchange the cap to each other. If you interchange cap to each other, you are going to have problem with the engine. In most cases, there will be seizure when you are trying to fix the engine. When you are trying to couple the engine, that the engine may not rotate. So it is better for you to ensure that as soon as you remove piston number 1, then you need to put the con rod cap back immediately. Put the con rod cap back immediately, and by the time you remove piston number 2, immediately put the con rod cap immediately. In some con rod, you will see, okay, you can see this one. You can see it is marked. You can see 777. You can see the housing too. You can see 777. That is exactly what I'm talking about. It is usually marked. It is usually marked. You see this one now? This one is not 77. This one is about 543. Understand? If you also check the you can see the cap too. You can see is 5 something. Why this one is 7? So it is synchronized together. This cap is synchronized with this con rod. Why this cap is also synchronized with this con rod. So it cannot be used interchangeably. So when you are assembling an engine, ensure that you don't interchange the con rod from this to this, from this to this. You are going to cause damage to your engine. Please don't forget to mark or to keep yourself that kind of stress. Immediately you remove number 1, then just like this, pull the con rod back and guide it immediately. Guide the bolt immediately, just like this, and put this on too and guide this like this. That is what you should do. This one too, guide like this, so that you can avoid the issue of mixing this very one to this one or mixing this one to this one. So your connecting rod cap cannot be used interchangeably. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.